Hi there, I'm Michelle Bergman. I am here at my studio in Independence, Kentucky, and I'm excited to talk to you about a workshop that I'm going to be hosting here at the studio along with the IDOL group. So the IDOL is International Decorative Artisans League, and I've been a part of this group for quite a while and teaching at several of their conventions. And at this time, we're going to be doing a class called Blurring the Lines Between Faux and Fine Art. So what I'm going to be doing is sharing how I use a lot of the products that I use to create art on canvas. And you know, if you're either a decorative artist who's been working for a long time or someone who's just beginning on your artistic journey, this is going to be the perfect class for you because there's no extra skills or previous skills really involved with this. It's all going to be kind of new material. And there's no drawing experience needed. To me, that's a really key because I hear so often, I can't even draw a straight line. Well, for this, you don't need to do that at all. So we are going to be working with some products that may be new to you. Some are going to be plasters like Venetian plaster. We're going to be using cold wax. We are going to learn how to paint hand painted papers that you can then integrate into your larger pieces. Let's see, we're also going to give you plenty of studio time so you can take the things that I'm demonstrating and teaching you and then integrating it into your own personal pieces. So we're going to have time to create several pieces throughout the couple of days that we're here, and then plenty of demonstration time as well. So I can keep teaching you new tips and techniques along the way as we go. So this is going to be June 13th and 14th here at my studio in Independence, Kentucky. And again, it's called Blurring the Lines, Faux Art to Fine Art. And I can't wait to share some time here in the studio with you because, you know, for me, working by myself a lot, it's so exciting and so energizing every time that I'm working with other creative people here at the studio because we can all bounce ideas off of each other and learn from each other and just grow exponentially in just a couple of days. So you can register at the website listed here in the information below, and I can't wait to see you here at the studio on June 13th and 14th.